in this video I'm showing you how to make sticky caramel chocolate cake. Fit for a king. This is reel 1 of 2. This cake is so divine, look how moist it is. And it's also mouth-watering. Will leave you wanting more. Ingredients you will need: cocoa powder, boiling water, milk, room temperature butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla essence, plain flour, baking powder, bicarb soda, salt. You're going to pour some boiling water over your cocoa powder. Then you're going to add the milk. Give that a whisk. I'm going to leave the amounts of the ingredients in the comments below for the cake recipe. Now you're going to cream your butter and your sugar till a pale white colour. Get your dry ingredients and put that in a bowl and give it a whisk, like I'm about to do here. Once that's done, you'll set it aside. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees and you're going to bake your cake for 50 minutes. Get your cake pan, smother it in butter. I mean coat it well. I'll show you what I mean. All coated in butter. Now get 2 cans of condensed milk and pour it in the bottom, just like I'm doing here. Now back to the cake. Once you've creamed your butter and your sugar, you're going to add your eggs one at a time. Then you're going to add your vanilla essence. Eggs at room temperature. Don't forget, everything at room temperature. Once that's done, I'm going to move on to the next step. And you've added the eggs, you're going to add the vanilla. You could either use your stand mixer to add the chocolate mixture and the flour alternatively, but I took it off the stand mixer and doing it by hand. You're welcome to do it any way you'd like. So adding my chocolate and flour mixture alternatively. So add a little bit of chocolate, give it a mix, add the flour, fold in the flour. Once all folded, you don't want to overfold. You're going to pour in your cake mixture on top of the condensed milk that's already in the cake tin. Remember, your oven is set at 180 degrees, preheated. Bake for 50 minutes or until the cake is cooked. Once the cake's cooked, take it out and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now you're going to cut around the edge with a knife just to loosen the cake. Your caramel should be nicely cooked. Now for the big reveal. Turn it out onto a plate and here it is. The most amazing thing you've ever seen in your life. My mouth is watering at this caramel. How amazing and luscious does it look? Give it a go. You could even try with some fruit or anything you like. I kid you not, this is the best thing I've ever eaten in my life. Yummo. Cheers, guys.